A company's logo was designed using circles of 3 different sizes. The diameters of 2 of the circles are shown. Which measurement is closest to the area of the largest circle in square centimeters? So the first thing we need to do is identify the largest circle. We have the smallest circle here. We have the medium circle here. But then we have this really big circle around the outside. That looks terrible. But you get what I'm doing there. All right, so anytime we're working with circles, we need to find the radius and diameter. So on this circle, the diameter goes all the way across. And they don't give us a single number. They tell us that part of it is 6 and part of it is 12. So 6 plus 12 means that our diameter is 18. So that's my diameter. So if my diameter is 18, radius is going to be half of that. So radius is 9. Next thing I need to know is, what am I solving for? This says which measurement is closest to the area. So on the formula chart, the area formula for circle A equals is pi r squared. So that means that we're using this measurement right here. So when we substitute, A equals pi is 3.14 times, the radius is 9, so 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 is 81. So we need 81 times pi, so 3.14 times 81. That's probably not the best place to put that. So I'm going to move that over. .14 times 81, 1 times 4, 1 times 1, 1 times 3, leave a space filler. 8 times 4 is 32, 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 8 times 3 is 24, and 1 is 25. Add those up. 4, 3, 4, 5, 2. 2 numbers behind the decimal here, so 2 numbers behind the decimal here, and your answer is 254.34. So if you missed this, probably it was because you did not get the right diameter, or you did not solve for area. So be careful of that.